recently I had a Facebook inquiry about a Chrysler remote head key. The customer, once again, had lost all the keys. So it gets me thinking, because again, the cost is so high. Is there something that customer could have done to maybe, put off having to pay so much, but they potentially have to tow their vehicle or go to the dealer? What can we do to keep that from happening?
Well, one of the best things that we recommended is everybody have 2 or 3 backup keys. We carry in stock keys for your vehicle, and the Chrysler that you were talking about takes a remote head key. We can make an additional one of these, but we also have, if you're looking for a key beyond that, the possibility of making just a transponder key. This key will start your vehicle, it will unlock the door manually, and it's one that you can keep in a filing cabinet to, in case you ever get locked out of your car, or if you have lost all your keys, this will get you through until we come out and can make one. These also are considerably less expensive, so they're a way to save some money and have the convenience of a triple backup key.
At ReKey Express Locksmith, we have a vast inventory of Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep keys. We have other keys as well, but the video here is about Dodge products. We've got the remote head keys, we've got the transponder keys, we have pod keys, we have tombstone remotes, which are actually proximity keys, and then the new ones that have come out in the past couple of years that I don't know if they have a nickname yet. So it's very seldom that we have to order a key to get you one. If you do lose your keys, you're in a bad situation, give us a call. I think that we're half the price of a car dealer.
Easily, we're half the price of what the dealer's going to charge you in most cases. And you also don't have to tow your vehicle. We come out, we make the key directly in your driveway. You don't have to make an appointment to leave your car at the dealer 3 days down the road. It usually takes us about 20 minutes to get you up and running again.
The other thing that someone should keep in mind when they're having a key programmed into their vehicle, it's very important that that is a state-of-the-art programmer. The cheap programmers that are made in China can cause thousands of dollars worth of damage to your vehicle. And oftentimes these are administered by locksmiths who are not licensed. ReKey Express Locksmith is licensed, we're insured. We have to carry $1 million worth of liability insurance in order to be licensed. When we give you a receipt, it's got our license number, our phone number, our address. You can find us tomorrow if there's a problem with your key. So it's very important that you do business with someone who's reputable, who has a big inventory, and who you can find tomorrow. I'm Roger Quartz with ReKey Express Locksmith.
And I'm Bill McCoy.
Thank you.